Hello Olympiad aspirants. Welcome back to the YouTube channel of F2S Olympiads classes. Here I will help you in Olympiad preparation as well as you are going to get the updates and detailed knowledge of various Olympiad exams. We are going to start an Olympiad preparatory series for grade 5 to 7 for mathematics. We start with the preparation of Silver Zone Mathematics Olympiad, where I will teach you to solve the comprehensive book of Silver Zone. In this book, every chapter contains 40 questions, which I have divided in three-part videos of 14, 14 and 12. You will get two videos every week for your respective class. To get the updates of these videos, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Now let's start with the worksheet questions. Grade 6 Silver Zone Comprehensive Book, Chapter 3, Video Part 1. Question number 1. Which one among the following statement is not true? Okay. The LCM of two or more given numbers is the lowest of their common multiple. Yes, it is true. The HCF of two or more given number is the highest of their common factors. Yes, true. The numbers having more than two factors are called co-prime number. No. Those are called composite number. Option C is wrong. First answer is option C. Question number 2. The ratio between two numbers is 8:5 and their LCM is this. The larger number will be. So ratio is 8:5. So let the common factor of the numbers are x. Of the numbers, let the common factor of the numbers is x. ठीक है, ये आपका x है. तो number will be your first number will be your 8x. Second number is 5x. ठीक है. Okay. Now LCM of this 8x and 5x will be, so LCM will be 8 multiplied by 5 multiplied by x. That is your 40x. And we know that the LCM is 40x equal to 360. So this implies x equal to 9. X equal to 9. So 8, first number will be 9 multiply 8, 72. Second number will be 5 multiplied by 9, 45. That is in the option number. So largest number will be your option B. Second answer is option B. Question number 3. Which one among the following is most appropriate for co-primes? So co-prime means number which has the common factor only 1. The numbers having more than common factor, no. Two numbers are called co-prime if there is no common factor other than 1 between these two numbers. Yes. Called co-prime number if no common factor other than 2. No. Answer is option B. Question number 4. The least number which when divided by 4, 5, 6 leaves the remainder 3 in each case. The least number which when divided by 4, 5, 6. First find the number which is completely divided by this. So completely divided by this, 4, 5, 6, take the common factor, 2, 2s are 4, 5, 3s are. LCM is the number which is completely divided by the given set of numbers. If we multiply it, 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 4, 5, 6. Yes, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 2 3s are 6. So 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20, 23s are 60. So 60 is the number which is completely divisible by this, this and this. But it should leave the remainder 3. So just add 3 in it. 60 plus 3, that is your 63. Available in the option number A. Fourth answer is option A. Question number 5. Find the LCM of this. So just write it. We will use the ladder method to find the LCM. In the ladder method, we will just find a number which is the common factor of between at least two numbers. So we can take 2 as the common factor. 9 will be as it is 7, 15, now 9s are and 6s are. We can take 3 as the common factor now. 3 3s are. 7 will be as it is 5, 3s are and 2s are. Again we can take 3 as the common factor. 1s are 7, 5, 1s are and 2s are. Now there is not any common factor between these set of numbers. So LCM will be the product of these numbers. 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 2. So if you multiply all these numbers, so you will find 1260. It is in the option number D. The fifth answer is option D. Okay. Question number 6. The LCM of three prime numbers are this. Find the greatest number between these prime numbers. So the numbers, three prime numbers whose LCM is 4999, then the LCM must divide this number. Must divide this number. We can check numbers available in the options. All are prime number. You can check with 47 first because it is asking about the greatest number. So if you divide 4991 with 47, so you can see it is not completely divisible by 47. So it means 47 cannot be that prime number. Okay. Now next bigger number is 31. So check with 31. So if you divide 4991 with 31, 4991 divide by 31, so you will get 4991 divide by 31. You will get 161. It means it is completely divisible. Remainder is 0. So 31 is the greatest number which whose LCM can be this. ठीक है, तो question 6 answer will be D. Question number 7. The LCM of two numbers is 27. The numbers cannot be. Check the option. 3 and 27 LCM will be 27. Okay. 1 and 27 LCM will be 27. 3 and 9 LCM will be 9. As 3 is the factor of 9, so 9 will be the LCM. C option is the answer. Seventh answer is option C. Question number 8. The HCF of two numbers is 48. The product of the number can be. If HCF is 48, then product of the number will be divisible by 48. Okay? So you can check 3200 can be divisible by 48. So you can check 3200 divide by 48. It is not divisible. 2400 divide by 48. So quotient is equal to quotient is 50. ठीक है, you see 48 and 50 can be the number, can be that number whose HCF is 48, but its HCF cannot be 48. ठीक है, okay. Now 4608 divide by 48. So just divide it. 4608. You can find 96. 96 as the quotient, remainder is 0. In this case, remainder is 0. If we take 48 and 96, so its HCF can be 48. Yes, its HCF can be 48 because it is 2s are 96. So that's why we will choose the option D. Eighth answer is option D. Okay. Ninth one. The product of two number is 324. Their HCF can be. So check the numbers which can divide it and try to find the pair. Okay. So 324 can be divided by 54. Check in your notebook. It is divided by 54 or not. So you can find it is divisible by 54. quotient will be 6, remainder is 0. Okay, now first check with the division method. 3 to 4 divide by 9 now. If you divide it with 9, so you can find it is divisible by 9 or not. 3 to 4 is divisible by 9 or not. So yes, it is divisible. Quotient is 36. Remainder is 0. 3 to 4 is divisible by 4 also. Quotient will be 8, 1. Remainder is 0. Now 3 to 4 is divisible by 27 or not. So you can check 3 to 4 divide by 27, you will get 12. Remainder 0. Okay? Now their HCF can be. So check 54 and 6. HCF will be what? Will be 6. 6 will be the HCF. No, not possible. Okay? Now check with 9 and 36. So it is completely divisible by 36 is completely divisible by 9. Not possible. In case of 4 and 81, 81 cannot be divisible by 4. So 4 can be the HCF. Here 27 and 12, it can be also simplified. That's why 4 can be the option. So ninth answer is option C. Okay. Come to the question number 10. The product of two numbers is 840. Their LCM can be. So their LCM 840 divide by 210. So it will be 4 times 840 divide by 70. So it will be your 12 times. Now 840 divide by 720. So it is divisible by 2. So it is the highest form. Sorry, it is actually 4. It is the highest one. Highest factor will be the LCM. Okay? So option C is the answer. 10th answer is option C. Come to the 11th. The HCF and LCM of the numbers 780 and 210 are respectively. So let's find out HCF. First we will do by long division method. 780 divided by 210. So 3s are 0, 3, 6. Now 0, 5, 1. Now it will be your new divisor and 210 will be your dividend. So it is, sorry, ones are not twos are. Ones are 150,060. Divide by 150. Twos are to 120,030. Now 30, 32s are 60. Okay. So 60 is the HCF. 6. Sorry, 30 is the HCF. 30 is the HCF. Okay. Where is 30? 30 is in two option here and here both. Let's find the LCM. So 780, 210. I'm writing here 780, 210. Take 2 as the common factor. 2 3s are, 2 9s are 0. 2 1s are, 2 5s are. Take 5 as the common factor. 7s are, 5 8s are. 2s are, 1s are. Now 3 2s are, 6s are. 7s are. Now is there any common factor? No. LCM equal to 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 26 multiplied by 7. After multiplication you will find 5460. ठीक है? It is available in the option A. 11th answer is option A. Question number 12. A rectangular courtyard with length 10 meter 50 centimeter, breadth 4 meter 20 centimeter is to be paved with square stones of same size. The least number of such stones required are. To find the least number of square, first we have to find the dimension of the square stone, means side of the square stone. So to find the side of the square stone, we have to take out the HCF between these two numbers. So first convert it in the centimeter. So 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. That's why it will be 1050 centimeter, and this will be your 420 centimeter. Now take out the LCM. 1050 divide by 420. 2s are 0, 4, 8, 0, 1, 2. Now divide it with 4, 2, 0. So 2s are 0, 2, 4, 0, 0, 0. ठीक है? तो 210 सेंटीमीटर. तो साइड ऑफ स्क्वायर stone equal to 210 centimeter. So number of square stone will be the dimension of the rectangular courtyard is 1050 by 420. So what is the area of the rectangular courtyard? Length multiplied by breadth. So 1050 multiplied by 420. And to find the number of the square stone, we will divide by the area of the square stone. 210 multiplied by 210. So just divide and find the area. Sorry, find the number of the square stone. We will get 10. 10 is in the option number B. The 12th answer is option B. Okay? Come to the 13th. Least common multiple number of two numbers is 360. Then which one of the following cannot be the highest common factor of the numbers? LCM is given. LCM equal to 360. And HCF must divides LCM. ठीक है? LCM जो है आपका वो HCF से definitely divide होना चाहिए. So 36 can divide this number, okay. 24 can divide, yes. But 16 cannot divide 360. So that's why the highest common factor, 16 cannot be the highest common factor. 13th answer will be option C. 14th. Find the LCM of this. Just write the number and use the ladder method. 10, 7, 8, 11, 52, 27. Take 2 as the common factor. 2 5s are 7, 2 4s are 11, 2 2s are 2 6s are not 27. ठीक है? Now we can take 2 again as the common factor. 5, 7, 2 2s are 11, 13s are and 27. ठीक है? Now is there any common factor? 5, 7, 2, 5, 7, 2, 11, 13 and 27. I don't think is there any common factor between these numbers. ठीक है? तो LCM equal to 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 5 multiply by 7 multiply by 2 multiply by 11 multiply by 13 multiply by 27. So after multiplying we will get 10818080. ठीक है, it is available in the option number B. The 14th answer is option B. Okay, hope you understood all the answers explained here. If so, please write yes in the comment section. I have provided the link of PDF note of this worksheet in the description box. You can download it from there. And if you want to practice more such questions, you can download our app from the Play Store and can buy the test series of your respective class. Thanks for watching.